Alright, we're live on YouTube now. Welcome to the party, YouTube. I'm trying to finish up my website today. Well, I'm gonna try to finish it, but it's very unlikely that I'll finish it today. So I think maybe one or two more sessions, including this one, you know. And then I gotta figure out like how to launch it, how to host it, all that stuff. I don't know how to do all that. My name is something. I can't read it. What time is it there? It's 9:22 p.m. Alright, YouTube chat over here. Simon Lally from YouTube, what's happening, man? Are you ready for this final push or not? I keep saying it's the final push. It's not the final push, man. Are you ready for like just this web dev sesh? I'm doing alright today, man. Everything is good. I'm just trying to get this website finished. That's the only thing on my mind these days. Alright, is it time? What time is it? No, we got one more minute before I start. And then it's party time. Will there be non-leak code streams after the website is done? This is only version 1 I'm launching soon. There are a ton of other features that I still need to add. So yeah, well, in the immediate future there'll be other non-leak code streams. Simon Lally from YouTube says, heck yeah, it's been fun seeing you enjoy some web dev. Thank you. Yeah, it's been fun. Nice change of pace, I think. I've just been grinding leak code for like however many years now, and I haven't really done anything besides leak code as far as personal projects go. So it is kind of fun to do this, I think. Alright, y'all ready? Should just get into it? Let's get into it. That's what everybody says on YouTube. Anyways, let me start everything up. And I don't remember what I was doing last, but we're about to find out. Maybe I should just close all my tabs, because that's what I like to do anytime I start a new session. Whether it's working on my side projects or working at work, I always close every single tab I was on before, man. And I start with a clean slate. That's pro tip. Some people don't like to do that though. Some people got 300 tabs open from the last 5 weeks, and then they don't know where to find the information they need or something. I'm not one of those people, man. Alright, here we go. Let's look at where the website's at right now. Oh yeah, so some things, I remember now what we said. I want to make the rotating stars maybe not text and make it, somebody suggested I should look into making them an SVG or a image like a PNG or something. I think it would be a lot easier for us to, maybe a GIF. It would be a lot easier for us to style it, make it do what we want. Because I want the stars to be bigger, at least the fancy ones, and maybe I want to add one more tier of stars. So maybe also want to maybe put some like a footer something so that, yeah. Well, I also don't want this thing to scroll, so all right, let's try and do that first. Where is that stuff at? The supporters board. And I think I got this max height thing. Maybe I should just remove the max height and see how that looks for now. And then I gotta bring this in somewhere in the middle, make it look nice. Should I have it left, or let me try and play with some things, or let me bring my pen out. The Epic pen, so I can like explain better what I'm talking about. Maybe I bring this stuff like here, and then it would go 20, 24, like bigger and bolder. 2023, 2022, and I'm gonna do a 2021, but that's gonna come later on, not today, because I think I can get all my original subscribers from 2021 when I first started to stream. Alright, so that's that. That's what I'm working on right now, immediately. Just moving this thing should be easy work. Let's see if we've learned anything in the last week. How to center a dang div. That's what we're trying to do, man. Can we freestyle it? I don't know, but I'm about to try. So, should I give these things IDs so I know what the hell they are? Just for like personal labeling. I can call this, what is this? No, I don't need to give it no dang ID, man. What I need to do is figure out how this heading text center, maybe I can do that. Let me see what that does. All right, so that's text centered. Let's give it something more interesting text though. Maybe a little bit bigger. Maybe give it an H1. I don't know what an H1 is or how it looks, but it doesn't even look different, man. It looks the same. So what do you think? Text XL, double XL. No, it's not enough, man. Triple XL. I need a different fonts too. These fonts are boring. But anyways, let me move the dang ears over. Raffle J chilling. What's happening? Can't wait to see me rapping on double XL. Man, you can't be leaking all my secrets. I'm trying to drop out Leak Code album. Algorithms album. It's gonna be called Algo Rhythms. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna have some sick rhymes in it, man. I'm serious. I'm working on that with my brother. He's making the beats. I'm about to lay down the bars. Anyways. What am I trying to do? I'm trying to center this thing. How do you make a line center? Does that work? Man, Rafa J chillin', do you do React? You heard Algorithm by Childish Gambino? No, I haven't. Dang, he beat me to it, man. He beat me to it, then. Alright, Rafa J chillin', you gotta help me out. How do I make these things centered down here? I'm using Tailwinds. Is it like, do I have to do it in the parent, use a flex? Alright, so maybe, should I put the whole thing in a flex? Or should I make a new div and flex that div? Or I don't know, man. So let me hit them with the flex. Or justify center or something. Let me see what that does. Nah, that didn't do it, man. Justify. Hold on. Let me do this. Alright, that's not what I want either. Flex column, yes. Justify center or justify items center? No, I'm trying to get this one over there. Wait. I always flex when it comes to showing people what I can. Wait, just items center. Man, Rafa J chillin'. You are a pro, no doubt. Everybody knows that. Alright, now maybe I want a little bit of margin, bottom 10 or something. So there's a little, maybe 10 is too much. Let me hit them with the 5. Tailwind Pro, yeah. Started Tailwind 2 weeks ago. Me too, man. Me too. Those are the only ones I know. Man, you already know more than me. Hold on. I want to make these things bigger, so class name, let me give them a text. Should I hit them with the triple XL? Oh, maybe the double XL. I don't know. Maybe just an XL. Hope you're enjoying the USA. What are you talking about, man? All right. Oh, average USA enjoyer. Man, I see what you're saying. All right, what's some good fonts? Should I try and look for some fonts, or I need to figure out how this part is gonna look. Looks a little ugly right now, I think. I think I should have a border around the board. Or is that a little ugly? Border. How do you add a border? Border width. I gotta look it up. Tailwind border. Q Ultimus, what's happening, man? Alright, let me hit them with a border 2. See what happens. No, that border looks not great. I'm gonna take that out. You think I should hire a designer from Fiverr and show them what I got right now and tell them to, this is like what I'm trying to do, make it look even cooler? Fiverr is the way. Yeah, like I'm not a real designer, man. I'm not a designer by any means. Got a whole app designed for like $100. Yeah, I only need like 4 pages, and I already kind of have an idea. So, all right, let me look at some Tailwind fonts. what kind of, I mean, I guess, I don't know if they have some standard fonts that they use for Tailwind, some like nice curated fonts, or should I have to go in and like try and find some good Google fonts or something? Basically, I just got 6 of them to make designs, and I took the components of the best ones and I made it into one. That was a project that I showed off to Rafi Wade. Man, that was a long time ago. I didn't know you paid for that dang, what was it, a supermarket app? I saw that project, I think. He showed it to me, yeah. It'll be under Font Family. Future Highway, what's happening, man? Alright, let's see what they got. Yeah, let's try a mono font, because that's what programmers are supposed to be using. Dang, mono fonts, right? Where are we gonna put it? Right here. I think I redesigned after they fired me. Oh, that's not funny, but you're in a good place now, so I can laugh. Yeah, it did. I was thinking, dang, you paid money for them to design that app. People don't know what we're talking about, Rafa J chillin'. Well, that app looked like you designed it, man. Yeah. Anyways, all right, this font. I gotta find a different one. I think I'm just gonna use oh yeah. I think I'm gonna try and customize my fonts. So wait, how do you do this? Let me see what these settings look like. Where is it? Tailwind config? Oh yeah, right here. So I don't even have like a mono font, yeah? So do I put in a mono? Let me see what these look like. Alright. Is this mono? Doesn't look mono to me, man. I mean, I guess something's changed, but that font looks ugly. I see what font. Oh, so it does have something there. Let me just Google Fonts it, man. Alright, what type of font is good for a website like mine? Do you want like a fancy font? No. You want a stiff font? Maybe. Consolas? Or a tech font? No. Mono-spaced for sure. Maybe some pixel looking Roboto always. Domo arigato? What's that, man? Where do you see that one? VT, man, I don't even see what you're talking about. Oh, this one? Yeah, I was looking at this one. This one looks interesting for the website. It might suit the little static thing that I got going on. somewhere, you know. You should use a font from the Hackers movie title. Wait. Hackers movie. Oh man, that's a little too intense for me. You talking about this font? Looks creepy. Alright, let me... How do I include Google Fonts, man? Get font. I hit them with this. Where'd I put this stuff? Like the roots? How do you... let me just see. Hepta 5, what's happening? Kava is so good, tried for the first time. What is Kava, man? I guess it's a food place. Hold on, remix Google Fonts. Kava is a Greek version of Chipotle, I see. Yeah, that sounds good. How do you load fonts, man? Oh wait, man, YouTube chat, my bad. I'm forgetting to read over there. What is this website? This website I'm building is just my personal website. I have like all the supporters of the stream and type racer leaders and stuff. Just random stuff like that. Kava is pretty good. Oh, I haven't even seen one, man. I gotta look out for it. Alright, how the hell... how do you put this stuff in Remix, you know? Remix in React, Remix, Google Fonts. Chipotle tastes like nothing. I haven't had Chipotle in a long time. Man, am I crazy? Is this hard? Can't believe this is challenging me. Oh, Simon Lally. Wait, my bad, man. YouTube. I should switch to Twitch to interact with the chat over there. Oh yeah, their chat is bumping on Twitch, man. On YouTube, not. I think you are it on YouTube, Simon Lally. Hepta 5 is also on YouTube and Twitch, but he's an OG on Twitch, man. Lil Freezy in the house. Lil Freezy, what's up, man? I'm trying to like add a dang Google font to the Remix app, but I don't even know where to begin. You know, I thought it would be easy, but oh, maybe I can hit them with something like this. What have I tried? I haven't tried anything yet, man. I haven't tried shit. But I'm about to try this. Interesting. Let me try that. So I want this to be... What about the old classic import? What's the old classic import? What does that mean? In the main CSS file. I don't know if I have a main CSS file. Maybe I should make one, huh? Here we go. So if I make like, do I have to put it with an underscore also here? So you're saying if I make a main CSS thing like this, did I get that syntax right? Then I'll just try Railway to see if it works. You're using Tailwind, right? Yeah, I'm using Tailwind. Wait, what does that say? At imports? Man, I gotta look up all these things because I'm not familiar. Oh, this thing. Come on. You should have told me. It's just the dang radio button thing. Alright, let me get rid of this junk then. We don't need this, right? And then wait, what do you do with this? How? I don't even know what that means in this thing. Do I just put that somewhere? Like anywhere? Or do I put this in the root file? And then how do I, oh, then I have to like put this in the CSS. So I still need CSS. All right, I'm gonna put this in the root file. Oh, I guess I could, oh, I could just hit them with this, right? Like right here or something. Anyway, let me try this. But this isn't the font I actually want, man. Is it? No, it is the font I want. So you're saying I should make a main CSS file? I don't think it has to be called index. Maybe I can just call it styles.css. And then I put this, and then I import those styles, and then it will be available everywhere. Yeah, I don't know if I have a base file. I'm trying to make one right now, but let me see if it works. Let me just save everything here.
Tell me you love me.
And then I change that font thing. Let's see if it works. No, I broke something. I'm not sure what I broke. Let me just reload everything to make sure. Alright. Did that work? That's not the same font, man. I mean, the font family is there, but Sergeant Pepper, welcome to the party, man. What's happening? Alright, so maybe it's like the import isn't working right. Are we a React master? No way. I don't have no idea what I'm doing, man. I can't even change the fonts. Like, I'm struggling out here, you know? This is crazy how bad I am. Wait. So I think in your index HTML, you You need to add a link tag to import the font. Then in your Tailwind config, you need to extend the font family to add the new one. Okay. So I think in this root thing, I have this style import stuff, right? And then, yeah, I'm on Remix, but I don't really know anything about Remix. Oh wait, is this my base CSS? Maybe that is my base. Let me try putting that in there. I don't know, man. Let's see what that does. Oh, that works. Look at the dang thing. It's changed for sure. Alright, let me make it bigger though. Maybe we can... How big does the text size go? Can I do like 9XL? Dang, let me see what that looks like. Oh, Jesus, that's too big. Maybe like a 5XL. When did they start making the fonts class-based? Slap that bad boy on body. Wait, what? Oh, like, I don't want to change all my fonts though, you know? And I'm just trying out different fonts. I'm not sure this is the font for me. It kind of looks ugly now that I see it. Let me try and find a different font here. So, what type of fonts are we looking for? Maybe what kind of writing system? Dang, there's so many. Japanese? You want some Japanese text? No, we don't. We want all writing systems. I want something techno. Silk screen. Press start 2P might be a one. Zen dots. Hard to pick fonts, yeah. Oh, Geo. Geo might. Oh man. Pixelify Sans. That might be the one. I just want to try all of them. Is that it? I don't know. Rubik ISO. Welcome to WebDev. You'll be here picking fonts for a 24-hour stream. Well, I think you're probably right, man, because is this all that WebDev is? I've reached endgame WebDev. This is what endgame is all about, man. Oh, Rubik glitch. That might be it. These are wild. Roboto. What's happened? The dark shade, darkest shade of black. How you doing? All right, let's try this one. Where do we put all this junk? In the root? Like right here? Do I have to hit them with like a double import like that? And then it's called Rubik glitch. Save it here. Welcome to the party. We are trying to pick fonts, man. That's what this web dev stream is about right now, picking fonts. Alright, let's try Rubik glitch regular. Oh, that looks not great, I think. Man, what if I put Midnight Simon in that font? Let me see how that would look. You gotta commit sometimes. Yeah, let me try some things out first. Save it here. Thank you very much for the sub. Let me put you on the real website, man. Are you? Alright. Oh, wait. I'm not ready for this. Give me a second. One second, man. I gotta log into my server. Alright. What are we doing? Adding save it here to the website. That's what we're doing. This is why I'm building a website, man, because every time I have to add somebody, I gotta SSH into my server, open up my HTML file, and manually add somebody like that. So thank you very much, Save It Here. Nice shirt. Yeah, thanks. I made it myself. Alright, so back to the font selections. Where were we? C++ 77. Welcome to the party. Oh, I was trying to make the banner. Where's the banner at? Trying to change this banner so that we can change this font. I don't know how to do that yet. Maybe I can give this class name. Let's see. Oh, Jesus. That's not. Nah. Alright, I'm gonna move away from this font. That's bold. Yeah, that looks ugly. This is a terrible font. Flumsy in the house. Thursday stream. Yeah, Thursday special web dev. I'm just trying to finish my website, and I'm at the point where we're just choosing fonts and things like that. Maybe doing some other styling, but I'm probably just gonna choose something real soon. I've only tried 2 of these fonts so far, and I'm not very happy with any of them, but maybe press start player 2. I don't know, looks kind of ugly. You know what? Maybe I can use VT323 for the subscribers' names. That might look pretty good. Let me try that out. So right here, I'll give this VT32303 or something. What the hell was it called? VT323 regular. Make it a little bit bigger, so text XXL maybe, or is that hard to read people's names? What do you think? Let me change that subscribers thing though, because it looks so bad. I like the second one. Also bugs me a little bit that it looks off-centered, you know? Like, even though it is centered, it just looks off-center. Like, maybe I should shift it, you know? Anyways, I'm being maybe nitpicky here. I'm gonna leave that as the subscribers font, and I'm gonna change this to something else though. Wait, browse fonts. Yeah, maybe this one I'll put as the top font. Let's see how it looks first. Add imports. So I put this in the thing right here. I can delete this ugly one. Oh, this has everything, so I don't even need to. Yeah, this one I don't need. And then I gotta add the new class, which one is right here. And I'll set this to the thing, this H1. It's like a shopping cart on G fonts. Yeah, it seems so. I don't know, man. That looks bad too. I think it's too much. Maybe that doesn't look terrible. Anyways, all right, what's next? What's next? I want to make these things an SVG, the little stars, or I want to make the stars bigger at least. Looks a bit off-center because the name, yeah. I don't know how to fix that, man, but I think I can fix that later on. I don't really feel like messing with it right now. Oh, you know what I could do is I'm gonna make this, the years, the same font as that thing. Maybe I should spread them out a little bit more. Let's see. Grid the subscribers column. Man, I've never used grid. Maybe we should try and learn it now? Or nah? What do you think? Is it gonna be too much for me? Oh, you guys are griddies? Alright, how the hell does a grid work? Grid, tailwind, let's see. I like both. But I find grid easier to work with when I want fixed sizes. I just like to use it for any hard structure ratios that I want. Alright, you guys gonna have to guide me. So I just hit them with the class grid on my board. So this thing right here. Well, first, let me just comment out the old stuff. So in case we need to revert. Grid calls 3. I don't know if that worked. Even, wait. Add grid. Oh. Oh, yeah. Grid and grid calls 3. Alright. So now, how would I... Well, let me make the background a different color for now so that we can see. Where it is, you know. Dang. Oh, so that's the whole thing. Let me make it a different color, man. Is there red 900? So, how would I use a grid to like get this stuff centered? I'm basically trying to shift everything over a little bit to which way? The left? You know? I think it's it's centered, but maybe maybe I can just add a padding right. I'm gonna try that. Padding right 20. Yeah, what do you think about that now? So this is the middle and it goes right. How about 24? 24? Adding that, yeah, I'm adding it to the whole container, the padding right. So it just shifts things a little bit, but I think it looks more even now, you know? Alright, let me change that background color back. And let me see if it looks weird. Maybe a little bit too much. Let me move it back to the 20. Don't Defense is in the house. What's happening, man? Oh, Type Racer. Don't Defense wants to race. You guys ready for that? I think that's going to get off center once there are some names with more or less stars. Maybe, but let me see older years. Like Robodom has a lot of stars and stuff, but I think it's even like this year was bumping. I think it's okay enough. Should do like Chi-Chi and do an @live when you go live in your Discord, because I keep missing the start. Yeah, I don't really make a bunch of noise when I go live, man. But perhaps I should. I'm just like lazy. And so I'm lazy, and I definitely don't like to bother people when I go live. I don't want to be pinging stuff, you know. But no. Yeah, so I guess if we have that thing where you can opt into the live notifications, that would be nice. I'll look into it though. I don't have notice for Chi-Chi when he plays trash Genshin, I see. Based on the one with the most stars in the column. Alright, so let's do the Type Racer. Are y'all ready for that? I don't think you're ready for Type Racer today. Pay close attention, man. It's about to get real serious. What the hell was that? Anyways. Working on transitions instead of your website. Man, that transition has been there for a long time. I just forgot to use it. I forgot I had it. I think I bought it on Etsy or something like a year ago, and I just discovered it on my thing again by mistake. Anyways, let's do a Type Racer real quick. Oh, Simon Lally is ready for Type Racer on YouTube. Here we go, man. Lower the cooldown? No. If if we lower the cooldown, I'll never get anything done. Everyone will just spam Type Racer. You need my... Man, that transition was like 99 cents. Alright, we're ready for the warm-up. We're ready. So, everyone get in here to warm up. Alright, you ready? First race, warm-up. Second race, championship round. And then we're gonna finish this dang website, man. And we have to figure out how to launch it. Don't defense and unlimited Simon 107 in the warm-up. Smart coders in the house with a 97, pretty fast. Beat me with a 95. Q coming in with a 91. Little Freezy 86 and Sergeant Pepper with a 68. That was just the warm-up round, man. Don't you worry, everyone. You're gonna have another chance. Tell about my Moonlander. Dang, I can't even use those split keyboards. Alright, championship round, man. We're just gonna race. You ready? This could be a record-breaking race. Alright. Let's do this. Man, Jesus, 136 for Simon, Unlimited Simon, aka Simon Lally. What name do you want on the Type Racer's champ site, man? Do you want Simon Lally up there? Do you want Unlimited Simon? I'm not sure. You gotta let me know. Because YouTube doesn't really have usernames like that, you know? Yeah, you made it. The first YouTuber Type Racer champion. Simon Lally is fine. Alright. I'm gonna put that as a commentary. First YouTuber champ. You made history. Alright, so today, man, some of those dates are messed up. No one gets capital letters here. Simon Lally. Wait, how fast were you? 136. Now we gotta compete with YouTubers as well? Yeah. First, YouTube Type Racer champ. Crazy. We always have him, but they've been trash. Yeah, Simon Lally hasn't been trash though. It is an honor to be immortalized on your website, man. The honor or the pleasure is mine, man. Thank you very much for that crazy race. High speeds for sure. Alright, back to the dang website. What are we about to do? I think I gotta clean up this part here. I want to add icons for the Twitch and YouTube part. Maybe add a link. That should be real easy. Maybe I want to make this font a little bit smaller. I think it's a little bit crazy right now, too big. This page needs a whole lot of work. Every page needs a whole lot of work, man. Let's do this leak code streamers part, and I'll just use the dummy data. So I'm gonna have to make a new endpoint. Yeah, let's do this part because this is like real work. The other stuff is just styling, right? Which is also real work, but doesn't feel as substantial. All right, so first things first, let me make the endpoint on the back end. So we got the supporters, get post, we got the type racers, champs, and then let's make one for the what? For the streamers. All right, so let me look at my database to see what the format of the table is. So we got username, is online, and last online. How do I do this? What should the API look like? What should it return? Should it just return like everybody, maybe? Or let me think. Maybe it returns, what's it called? Streamers? Yeah. So I want the username and is online. Because I don't want to get all of them. I'm thinking if I should get all the ones that are online and then do a limit for like the last 3 that were last online. So like 3 of the, you know, most recent. Let me think about that. How is online updated? Is it real time? Not, it will be, but right now it's not. I've been thinking about that also. Like I'm not sure how to do the bot to figure out that stuff. Vertizoid, what's happening? I'm lurking here. Could you go back to the original camera? Oh wait, my bad. My bad. Thank you, Vertizoid. Sometimes I forget to do these things. There we go. The main camera. That's what I called it. Everything was so tiny for everybody, probably. What was I saying? Oh, we're trying to figure out, like, what are we going to return here? So I'm not too sure what this does. Is it just like when we resolve this thing, it returns here? So maybe it can be like, let onlines equal, do we have to wait? I don't know how this works, man. How can I like get do multiple queries and like combine them into one? Let me see. I don't know how this async JavaScript stuff works. What does resolve mean? Alright, let me ask ChatGPT, because that's what we've been having to do lately. What am I asking it? Make an endpoint in Hono that queries, that handles a request and does two separate queries to a Sqlite database and returns the combined results. Alright, let me see what they give me this example. Oh, snap. Promise.all. Interesting. You're returning a promise, so instead you can mark it async and await the promise, or if you want multiple queries in a return object, you can resolve promise.all. That's what I'm seeing here. Thank you very much, Leonard von Strangle. Welcome to the party. I was lurking, but if you want to call multiple promises, you use promise.all with all the promises. However, if one rejects, it's considered all of them rejected. Fallen learns. Thank you very much. Good to know. So I'm gonna try and do this stuff here. So I gotta make a couple queries. Online's query equals something, and then offline query equals something. And then we hit them with the promise like this. Me sitting here seeing JavaScript and thinking, what the hell is going on there? Yeah, me too, man. Wait, can I mark a dang API like this? Await? Like an async thing? Oh, look, they do it right here. Oh, you mark it right there. I see. Oh, yeah. Here we go. Alright, what is this dang query thing? Oh, snap. They made a little util function for me. Maybe I should put that in something, you know. Alright, so we gotta, I guess we don't need this anymore, but I'll keep it there for the time being. But I do need some queries, so I'm gonna have to modify those in a bit. But what should it just be a string? Can I do that? Oh, it's the same error. db.all SQL. Oh wait, how do I make sure that these values are right there? Hold on. Let me think. Because... oh wait, I'm not inserting anything. I don't need any value. I was thinking about this type of stuff where we're inserting things. Wait, do I still need that, man? Even if I'm getting... no, I don't need none of that, because I'm just gonna... can you lower the music? Yeah, my bad, my bad. We can lower it. Can barely hear me. Dang, I didn't know it was that bad. Alright, how's it now, man? Is it still music too loud? Wait, Simon Lally says, depending on what you're trying to do, you can probably get the data you want with a single SQL query. Yeah, I could probably do it, but I don't know SQL that well. Even though I was doing some SQL today at work. Alright, maybe I will write my 2 separate queries and you tell me how we can do it. Steven Sagiball, what's happening? What are you trying to retrieve from the database? I'm trying to retrieve all of the people who are online and the last 3 people who are offline, or who are not online, but the most recent 3 people. Do you know what I'm saying? So, I mean, if we did it with one query, we'd have to be like, with something as something like create 2 separate queries in the one query and then do that. But SQL is really weak. When are we launching the website? Maybe this weekend? I don't know. Alright, we have to select this and is online from streamers, and the offlines is gonna be this and last online. From streamers. How do you, can I do a sort by last online descending limit 3? Is that a good query? And then this one I want to hit them with the wait. Where is online equals 0? How do you format queries, man? What's the standard way to format a query? Maybe like this. And then the online's query. Where is online equals 1? Close to perfect formatted. Oh, is it? Thank you. Order by, sort by, yeah, I don't know SQL, man. I'm just like making up commands. I'm not gonna lie. Order by, all right. So, all right, if I were to have this as a single query, it would have to be like with onlines as something like that, offlines as, I don't know if you can do this in Sqlite, man, because this is what I use for work, and we use like Google SQL at work, and I'm not sure if like this stuff is compatible, you know. That's why I'm not trying to really do it. I'm just trying to do simple 2 separate queries and then merge them together myself. All right, here we go. Play some more SQL roulette on production. Ain't nothing is production right now, so we're all right. Wait, that's a completely formatted edition. Oh dang! So all the keywords, all the prefix keywords, I guess, because this is like a keyword too. I see. Let me try that. Thank you, by the way. Should I even? It's like a lot of lines though. I don't know. I think CTEs are standard SQL. Wait, what's CTEs? I don't even know what that means. Oh, save it here with the single query. All right, let me try both. I'm gonna call it super query. Oh, with as you are doing. Oh, I see what you're saying, future highway. Yeah, I'm not like a real SQL person, man, so I don't actually know what's up. Man, should I just leave it as it is? Oh shit. Wait. Rafa J chillin', welcome back. Yeah, we're doing a little sequel here, man. We do a little everything here. I guess maybe if we want to union them, we should try to make them consistent with the data like that. All right, let's see. I'm gonna just try the super query first. Because if we have a super query, we don't even need that promise all stuff, man. You can just hit them with the super query like that. Reload the gist. Oh, dang. You probably have like a SQL formatter, but man, it's already out of date. Oh, but thank you. Because I added some other junk. Anyways, let's just try it out, see what happens. So what do I have to do to call that API? I'm gonna have to... Wait, what was that API? Oh, I'm gonna have to make a new loader? Wait, can I have multiple loaders? Because I already got one loader right here. Or do I like make the loader call two functions and have it load like I don't know. I didn't try the query, it might not work. Alright, so all you remix experts out there, if I want to do multiple fetches, how do I do that in a route? React remix multiple loaders for routes. Maybe they tell me in the docs, huh? Crud, what's happening? Yo, any chance you'd roast my site? My professional experience is what? Would appreciate some fresh eyes on it. Maybe. I'm no professional roaster though, but I could try. Okay, so how am I gonna do this? Have to gift a few subs. Man, you don't have to, but you can. Yeah, let's see your site, man. Think you probably use a single loader and use a promise all. Simon Lally. Okay, so if I did that, a single loader, and I like did multiple fetches inside of the loader, when I return something, that means I only have one state that contains all my data, and then it would be like a whenever I need a certain component to access that data, I'd have to like get something, you know, instead of 2024 it'd be like subs.get or all data.get subs.get 2024. Interesting. I'm gonna have to refactor a bunch of things then in order for this to work. Alright, let me try and do that, man. Is it cool to post a link? Yeah, it is cool. Here we go. We're about to go roast some guy's website. You guys want to do that? We're about to roast Crud's website. Well, first of all, everything is black and white on the front page, but I guess that's by choice. I don't know if I like that. I guess this is like your personal website. Cool. Man, you worked on all this stuff? You worked on Zootopia, man? You worked on Moana? That's crazy. Are you like a Disney? You must be a Disney person. Trying to shift from creative to dev. Oh wow. How did you even become a Disney animator? Like, what kind of training do you have? Do you like go to school for this type of stuff, or? I'm not doing much roasting here, but I'm just like curious. Practice? He's a Disney princess? Yeah. I mean, looks pretty cool. You got all these fancy features. Doing some denoising or something. Denoiser, yeah. Went to school for animation, I see. Classically trained animator. Well, I don't know. Dox you or anything, even though I guess you just doxed yourself. Yeah, I don't have any bad things to say, man. I think it looks pretty cool. You got the light mode, dark mode too. I'm in no position to roast you, let me say that. Man, those are some thick monitors. Are those special monitors or are they just old and crusty? Reading centered aligned paragraphs of text is difficult. Oh, you mean like these? Or everything here? Like everything is centered? Anyways, old monitors but good color calibration. Are they even HD? Alright, well, thank you for sharing that, man. I think it looks pretty good, and I think you've done some really cool work. I always hear about Disney animators and stuff, but I've never actually seen one in the wild, so you're the first Disney animator I've ever met. Except for the fact that the image on the index page is colorless and lets you make you look damn old. Well, I don't know about all that. What if he's really old and it actually makes him look really young? Yeah, looks like chat likes your website too. Can't get an interview for dev work. Well, I'd say most people aren't even gonna look at your website, man, for an interview. They're looking at your resume. And I think even like I don't know how it is, but I'd imagine people don't got time to be checking out everybody's website for every person that applies to their company. Alright, let's try and refactor some things. But if you can't get an interview, I think it means you gotta work on your resume. Website is also responsive. Nice. I didn't even check it out on my phone or anything, or like in mobile mode. My website is not responsive, so good job. Alright, where are we at? We're trying to make, oh yeah, redo my data in this thing here. So what's this? I don't want this to return a map like that. It's gonna be a gnarly structure, man. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna have to make this crazy type. Crazy type. Or what should I call it? Index page data. Oh man, crud. Thank you very much for that gifted sub. You didn't have to do that because I didn't even roast you, man. I just took a look. But thank you very much, man. Really appreciate that. About to add you to the website. Here we go. This is the old website that I'm trying to refactor. Wait, KRRUD, crud. Thank you so much. Alright, and congratulations to Pinto Fool to get that sub. No more ads. Alright, so, alright, let's refactor. Let's try and make a type that holds all the data that the index page needs. So what do we need here? We need like, I don't know what we need. Oh yeah, supporters. And that's going to be a map string supporter. Yes. And we also need the streamers. And that's going to be, I'm not sure what it's going to be yet. I'll just have it an array for now. Or wait, maybe I should have it like, Maybe I should have it a map string to streamer or something. I have to make that type, I guess. I'll just do it right here and then move it around after. So I want a streamer type to be like a username. What else do I want? I need it to have the is online. And like last online. Should that be a date or a number? I don't know yet. I never get ads, never have. Man, you got a really good ad blocker then. Or something. No? Don't use one? You just got lucky because I got ads on this dang channel, unfortunately. Okay, here we go. No. Let me try and refactor all this junk. So I'm gonna have this as subs data instead. But I need a new type. All data. I don't know like what type of camel case or snake case I should be having here. Alright, what does this mean? Never read. And then here, maybe I can have like supporters. Is that how I do it? Equal what I call it? Subs data. And then we return all data instead. Type is missing supporters and streamers. Wait, how do I... Can I just... Do I have to initialize it? Can I just say it's nothing like that? Empty? When handling with dates, then it should be a date. Like date or dates. Alright, let me see if this is gonna work, man. And I have to change. Wait, select username from streamers. Need a subquery. Wait, save it here. Did that change? Like you changed something from the last SQL query you sent? But wait, give me a second. I'm going to try to see if this data thing works, but I have to modify the board because this is not just the subscribers' data anymore. This is gonna be... Oh, how am I gonna get these types, man? I have to move these types somewhere. That index, do I make a new types class? Index types. But then this is gonna be a route. I don't want it to be a route. So do I have to like delete this, make an... Where do people keep their types, man? Is it okay to keep types in components? Or Should I just make like a new file? I'm not sure where the best place in a remix app would be, but create a shared directory for types. There are different styles for this. Yeah, I've been struggling to figure out how to do it. Wait, .d.ts? I'm not sure what that means. I'm just gonna have a folder for types. So I'll call this one like index types or something. I don't know what to call it. Index types. Whatever. We can figure it out later on. I just want to move these types in there so that I'm able to share it to other pages without having circular dependencies. That's what we're doing right now. Oh, I need a supporter thing in there too. All right, which one? All data is used before it's assigned a value. How can I just make like a new type of, can it just be like new index page data? I just want to make a new type like that. How to instantiate a new object in TypeScript of a certain type, custom type. Just empty. I don't want to do, I just want like an empty one, man. Wait, having a folder is okay. Extension can be .d.ts if you're only going to put types in it. Oh, I see what you're saying. So he's saying I should rename this to .d.ts. Wait, how do you do this, man? Do I just do it like this? Anyways. You should fix the config file so that return types are mandatory. We'll get there. There's a lot of cleanup I probably have to do. When I think the V1 is ready, I'm gonna go in and like try and clean up all my types, and I think I've left a bunch of random things in the code base as I'm like experimenting and stuff. All right, what was I trying to do? I was trying to move those types into this thing so that I can import them from this thing, right? Because yeah, I need this data to be all. Oh man, I think I'm doing it wrong. I think I should be passing down these things as props. Otherwise, I feel it's gonna create unnecessary copies. So maybe I should move this stuff back up into the index file. Wait, what type was it, man? Index page data. Right? And then let me think. Clean up types at the end is doing it backwards. I mean, most of my types I think are somewhat okay, but I think there's a few weird things going on. Man, I'm out here joking around. So yeah, I think I should pass. No, wait. Let me think about what I'm doing, man. Because there's some buttons here, man. Man, I don't know TypeScript well enough or React good enough to make these decisions right now. So what I want to do is, wait, there is a context pattern for this if it's getting too annoying to deal with the data. More coding, less thinking. Yeah. Alright, let me explain the problem here for me. I have a bunch of data that I want in my most parent file here, or in the root route, or whatever, index route. And I'm calling a few components. And in these components, like maybe I have one streamers, but the data is all from here, and I just want to pass the relevant data to those components. But then in those components, I'm also changing what that data should be. So it's like, I kind of want to pass a state. Maybe I want to have all the states in my index and then pass some things to modify those states. All right, let me try and figure that out. This sounds like React work. Maybe I'm overcomplicating things. You can do that easy with prop drilling, then create a derived state in the child component. But if you're not sure exactly where you'll use the data in the future, then context might be a good choice. I see. I don't really know much about the context thing yet. But maybe I'm gonna try some things. They might be a little funky. I think what I'd like to do is bring these things up, bring all the state up into the index file. And then try to manage it from here. This is like a leak code problem. Maybe. So that's all data. Supporters, yeah. And then handle supports. Can I just pass it like that? That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to pass a function here, and then instead of handle click, I click that function instead. Is that even possible? I don't know what I'm doing, by the way. And then I also have my subscribers from here. And in the root, I have passed them down like subscribers. Should we try it out? I think you need to use curly braces for passing the function, but possibly. Oh, like, what do you mean? Like this? What do you mean curly braces for passing the function? I don't know what that means. You need the name attribute. Wait, name attribute? The attribute name? What does that mean? Attribute name. Like the prop name? Like that? That looks weird. Alright. Alright, let's... Akshay Singh from YouTube, what's happening? How you doing, man? Subscribers too. I see what y'all saying. Okay, so now when we click this, what does the handle click thing do? Set subscribers to... Oh shit. Alright, let me just try it out, man. Let's see how it works. Oh, the years aren't even there now. Jesus Christ. Why? Where did the years come from before, man? Let me look at my props here. Okay, I see what's happening. I think I see what's happening, man. I'm only passing the subscribers, but what I really want is all data supporters. Can I do that? Wait, let me think. Yeah. Props.subs. Wait. Oh wait, I need subs and subscribers. Hold on. What the hell is subs? Subs was the data, so this should now be... I see what's happening. I should have some more clearer names here. So this one would be like all years of subs. Current year subs. How about that? And here I'll just send in like subscribers like that. Or should I don't know, man. Maybe I should rename that to... I think I should be using dang camel case or whatever it's called. Let me just try and switch it up. I'm gonna have a mixture of styles in this dang file, man. Alright, now here, I need to like define these props too, so that I know what the hell's coming in. So what do we have? We had all years of subs. That's gonna be this one. And then we got current year subs in this one. Yeah, let me see if that works. Cool. Look at that, man. It's working. Look at that. Very nice refactor there. Now my data can be flowing freely through all corners of the app. Alright, what else do I have to do? El Guapo, what's happening? Welcome to the party. Website is starting to look so good. Don't defense. Thank you very much. They're slowly getting there. I've just been doing. So I think this is my 7th or 8th. I think it's my 7th web dev session, and I've spent an average of like maybe 2.5 hours or so, 3 hours perhaps per session. So that's like 20 hours. It's a lot of hours. What about highlighting the selected year? Oh, that's a good idea. Maybe I should add that as a to-do or something. How do you add comments? Add some to-do. Add highlighting for the current year. What camera do I use? Oh, I don't have those commands. Maybe I should add them. So I use A7 IV for one of my cameras, but this one that you're looking at right here, that's a ZV-E1. Sony ZV-E1, I think. Spent like 10K on his Twitch care, at least 10K, man. But I'm also into like photography and stuff. So spent a lot. Cameras alone, cameras and lenses, I don't know, 5-6K. Lights, maybe like 1,000. Microphone, $1,000. Computers, yeah, I would spend 10-15K maybe. How much did the sign behind me cost? I don't know, my girlfriend got me that. Can't be more than $100 though. It's not too crazy. Anyways, what are we trying? Oh, stilled. With no previous experience in web dev, that's insane progress. Thank you, but I mean, I've dabbled with some web dev, but nothing too serious. When is my girlfriend coming on stream? I don't know about that, man. She might start streaming one day. Not leak code. No. not leak code streaming. She might be doing some other things. You never know. Alright, what was I trying to do? I can't get over your name being on the subscriber list? What do you mean? It's just a little it's not real. It's like a test thing. What were we trying to do again? Oh yeah, we're trying to do that mashed up data. So I was gonna make that other. I was gonna make the streamers thing. That's right. But the streamers. Should I have them? I don't know what's gonna look good, but I just want to get it to work for now. Maybe they might be in the banner. Oh, right here. Leak code streamers. Alright, let me make a new component. Let's do it. And then maybe after this I go. Oh. My hair is too long, man. I'm gonna cut it soon. Yeah, right. Psych. No way. Buzz. No way I'm gonna cut my hair, man. Get out of here. Maybe if I start like losing all my hair, I might think about shaving my head. Alright, what was I gonna do? I'm gonna make the streamers thing. Maybe I will just... I don't remember the dang syntax, so I have to copy everything over, man. A little embarrassing. But whatevs. Alright, here we go, here we go. So... it was in the banner. This section right here. What's the difference between section, like, should I be using sections or what, you know? Oh, we got a type here that we need. Where's this type at? It's right here. I'm gonna erase this stuff. Well, I'll just comment it out for now. I'll clean it up another time. Oh, Simon Natty, sorry. So slow to respond to YouTube. It's a lot of hours, but you've definitely learned a ton. Yeah, I think I've learned tons for sure. But 20 hours doesn't feel like too much. That's like, realistically, that's like a weekend, you know. They help with ally when used correctly. What's that? As long as you use the main ones like header, footer, nav, main, other tags like article, section, get too granular. I wouldn't worry about them correctly. Oh, accessibility, I see. I don't even know if I'm using the main ones. I forget what I was doing. Oh, I was going in here thinking about this type stuff. So how do I make these types here? You saying I should move all my types to this types folder? Let me start doing that now. Update imports, and you say I can just rename this to .d.ts. What other types do I have? So far that's it. I'll make a new type here. I'm not sure if I should start my files off uppercase or lowercase. I'm very inconsistent with my styling right now, but hopefully we can figure it out soon. Ben Fisher, what's happening, man? What VS Code theme do I use? I forget, man. How do you check? Monokai dimmed. That's what I'm using. font, I don't even know. It's probably with the theme. Alright, for the streamers thing, let's import that. Alright, here we go. Wait, I gotta call this in the banner. Okay, right there. Right here. Streamers. Oh, wait. We gotta either prop drill, or I remember one trick from a long time ago where it's like, how do you do this? Children? Is that a thing? And then, so instead of prop drilling, can I do this? And then I just say like streamers equal all data streamers. Is that possible? That way I don't have to have banner take in the props and then drill them down. That's composition nice. Yeah, I think I read about this like many years ago. I don't know if it still works like that though. Let's see. Well, I don't even have any streamer things in there. Alright, so now let me work on the double fetch right here. I gotta rename some of these variables. Or you know what? Can I just call functions in here? Like, can I make a function like async function get supporters, and then I'll move all of this data, or I'll move all this logic to the get supporters. And what is it called? Subs data. So we just return subs data. Do I have to specify a return type for this function, or should it just know? Oh, it just knows. Look at that. Very nice. And then I can just call it like await. And then I can make a new async function. Get streamers or something. But then I don't want them to await in serial. I want to like fetch them at the same time. So maybe I gotta use like a promise all to resolve that. You know. Let me think about that. I mean, I'll just have it await for now. Maybe the next stream we can try and refactor that to be a little bit more efficient. So, alright, this is streamers data. Await. A what? Come on, man. Get streamers. All data. The herbs was gone? What you talking about? The herbs. Herbs. Who's smoking herbs, man? Oh, so what type is this? I forget. It's just a map? Wait, what the hell kind of type? String and streamers. Oh, because I want like online, offline to map to the relevant streamers. That's what I was doing with that. Okay, so then streamer like that. Let's call this streamers data or whatever. Return streamers data. Do you like having people in your party or minions? Games, what are you talking about, man? I don't have parties. I mean like NPCs or minions and I'm playing games? Minions. Redills Sleepy. How you doing? Why was the web app always heartbroken? I don't know. I don't even get that joke, man. But welcome, welcome. So, I think I broke. Alright, props.children is not iteratable. What does that mean? So clearly I did something wrong here. Maybe it's just props.children like that. Props.streamers.map. Okay. That's because it's not a map anymore. It is a for each. Right? Oh, wait. Streamers. Online.map. That's what I'm trying to do. Alright, let's see if the dang website compiles, man. It's not, because it's undefined. This whole thing is undefined. Let me try and make it not undefined. And then I gotta go soon. This is supposed to be just a quick 2-hour session, man. It's not a long stream night, just a little one. But I think we made some good progress. We organized the flow of data and stuff. Don't abandon us. Who's abandoning? Nobody's abandoning, man. So all data streamers, right? Streamers data. Okay. So let me just make sure that I have online equal empty and offline equal empty, but I don't know why it's tripping. Hold on. Wait, streamer data. How do you do this dang syntax? And we do the type racer in a little bit, man. Who's that? Q Ultimus just redeemed the type racer. Gotta stay till midnight? No way. Wait, let me try and figure out what it's a string. So why can't this work? I don't get it, man. Set on, oh, save it here. Thank you very much. I just don't know syntax. Yes, that's what we need, man. Thank you, thank you. Oh, it's still not working, man. Come on. All right, we got other problems going on here. So oh, maybe I gotta do something like this where streamers And I don't know what I'm doing. All right, let me try that. Let me try that. I don't think that's right. Can't wait for chat to try and hack the website. All right, how the hell do I do this part, man? You know what? Maybe I'll just separate them because I don't want to figure it out. So it's gonna be like that. Streamers.get online or that, right? Can we do that? And then we change this to that. And then this one's gonna be offline streamers. And this is going to be like that. And I'm gonna pass it like that. I feel like whatever I'm doing right here, it's like amateur hour, man. I don't know if these are the right patterns people use to handle data, like a bunch of data in one place and you're trying to like split it up, or if this is some, you know, weird things or what. Anyways, let me see if this compiles. Still doesn't compile, man. What the heck? We got a type racer to do and it ain't working. Undefined reading online. Okay, we're making some progress. Oh, that's the wrong file. Jesus. Jesus Christ. Why? Because this is null. So how did we fix that, man? We must have done something to fix it, right? Isn't that one file we're still using online? Oh. Like right here? Oh, I should like .get? Oh, wait. Because it's just online streamers now. Right? Oh, it's working, man. Alright. I think that's it, man. We're done. Let's do the type race and I'm out of here. Right? Or should I finish this part up? What keyboard am I using? I got a keyboard command. One Ack, how are you doing? There you go. Bubble 75 with Aqua Kings. Are you guys ready for Type Racer? I'm ready. Uh-oh. Something broke. I gotta fix this. Before we get to Type Racer, I gotta try and fix this. $400 keyboard? No, man. You can... They're all sold out. You're gonna have to try and find it used from somewhere. Why is this broken? Who broke it? It used to be working, man. JSON parse. Not valid JSON. Wait, I'm just trying to fix my website first. Is it from here? Oh, error, syntax error. Hold on. What do you mean syntax error? It's crazy talk. Okay, I think I know. I think it's because I put all this shit in the wrong API, man. That's why. Jesus Christ. I messed it up. Should I just Control Z everything? This is why we need version control, right? Oh, I know what to do. Don't worry. I'm used to not having version control, man. I'm a pro. Watch this. I'm gonna copy all of this. Control Z everything. Oh yeah. There we go. And then I'm just gonna paste it here. Easy work. That's why I don't need version control, man. I got Control Z. Alright, everything's working again. And it's time to do the type racer. Alright, here we go. So let's make a bet. Who's here to type race? What should the bet be? That's what we need to figure out right now. Alright, Q is here. Stan left fresh. What's happened? Alright, it's gonna be me versus... Alright, it's gonna be Don't Defense versus Q Ultimus. Very evenly matched racers. So who's gonna win? Is it Don't Defense or Q Ultimus? Place your bets. You have 2 minutes to decide, and after this, I'm out of here. What is stopping a person from performing poorly so they win the bet? No. The contestants have to bet on themselves. That's what's stopping it. So Don't Defense has to bet on himself, and Q Ultimus has to bet on himself. Everybody knows that. Dang, Don't Defense is... What are you doing, man? You can't just give Q your money. That's too much money. This is some dang money laundering scheme going on here. Dang, I should have known Don't Defense is gonna try and do something tricky like that. Anyways, let's get to the type racer. The first race is the warm-up. The second race is the championship round. Alright, there it is. Final type racer, final activity for the stream. And then I don't know when I'll continue the web dev stuff next. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see how it goes. Maybe like just a short one. Alright, first race, warm-up round. Are the bets closed? The bets are still open, so if you want to see how Q. This is Q Ultimus. How fast they type, don't defense. This is it right here. Do I ever win a type racer? Man, I have over 10 type racer championships to my name. Man, there's some really crazy typers there. Pixel Pusher, is that you? I don't even need to see. I already see Canada and guest. Singapore is in the house with the 142. Jesus. And don't defense with the 128. That is almost your fastest time that I've ever seen. Actually, I've never seen your 130 or 133. So this is your fastest time I've ever seen. Q with the 111, but don't you worry, that was just a warm-up round. Still with the 95 Clistar with the 63. Anyways, this is the championship round. Here we go, here we go. Oh man, everybody's betting on Q. Everyone's trying to get that dang money from Don't Defense. Wait, you know what time it is? Do y'all know what time it is? It's type racer time. Championship round. Let's go. Alright. Focus mode activated. Man, Pixel Pusher with the 175, Don't Defense 105, Q Ultimus 104. Really close. Two really close typers. Smart Core with the 88, Stilled 85, Clistar 72, and I got the 95 for a 5th place. And Don't Defense won that bet, and Pixel Pusher won that race. So let me choose Don't Defense. $33,000. Easy money, man. You're rich. Let me make sure I choose the right person. Last time I messed up. Don't Defense. Complete. Alright. Dang, 60,000 bucks for Don't Defense. And good job, Q, for not getting baited to lose all your money, man. Alright, save it here. Send me a whisper on Twitch and I'll send you the link to the secret Discord. It's not so secret, the Discord. Can I please give all the money to Q? No, man. Q has to earn that money. Anyways, wait. Yes. Yeah, send me that whisper. Nice. Thank you. Thank you. There it is. So, alright, Pixel Pusher, let me add you to the website. The old website. And then I am out of here, man. I should have already been out of here. But just a little quick web dev sesh. Not bad. Looking at Simon Lally, the very first YouTube Type Racer champ earlier today. Making history. Here we go. Pixel Pusher reclaiming the throne with the 175. Look how many Pixel Pushers here, man. It's insane. The only time Pixel Pusher isn't a champion is when he lets us win or when he's away. Where are we at? We're about to raid. That's where we're at. Dang, lots of people are on. Who should we raid? Bobby Blue? Been studying hard lately, man.
Yapping.
Let's hit Bobby Blue. Bobby Blue is studying real hard for Leak Code. Man, he's trying to raid me. Let's raid him. Jesus Christ, get out of here, Bobby Blue. Get out of here, Bobby Blue. I'm trying to raid you right now. What are you doing? Hey, don't try and raid me right now. Because... Alright, I'm sure... What... What should we do? Raid him so he has to stream for another hour? Alright. Bobby Blue has to grind for another hour if we raid him. That's what he said. So... Let's just do it. Oh, Steven Code stuff. What's happening? We're about to go raid Bobby Blue. Dang, not Gentle is out there, man. Can y'all see my thing? Pat is there. Steven Code stuff is there. Not Gentle is there. But we're gonna raid Bobby Blue before he raids us. That's for sure. He needs those. He needs some pressure or something. So let's give it to him. Anyways, thank you very much for tuning in, everybody. Steven Sagiball, what's happening? Bobby timed me out after I offered to give him free mock. Wait, what? Anyways, Q Ultima stilled. Have a good night. Thank you for tuning in. Slutty Pie, see you later. Save it here. Thank you very much for tuning in. Land of the Leets and Yasuketo. Adios, amigos. Pats, hello world. Smart Coder. Rafa, Jay, chillin'. Have a good night. Thank you for being here, everyone, tonight. Thank you for all the help with my dang web dev stuff. Don't defense. See you next time. Maybe tomorrow. Not too sure. Everybody, stand left fresh. Adios. Nor Pie. See you later. And Future Highway. Have a good night if you're still around. Everybody, whoever is here, man. See you later. And YouTube, Simon Lally from YouTube. Thank you very much for tuning in. See you next time.